How to view SD card files on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can access SD card files on your Android device. But before we begin, make sure that you insert your SD card on your device. After that is done, you want to open the My Files option or File Manager on your device. Now, you want to scroll down and here you have the option of SD card. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you're going to find all the files which are in your SD card so you can access them easily from here. There is another method as well on how you can view your SD card files. Open up your settings. Here, you want to scroll down, then tap on the battery and device care option. From here, tap on the storage option. Once you are on your storage, you want to swipe, and here, as you can see, your SD card information is displayed. Now, you can tap on any of them and then view your SD card files in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.